new Range Rover. It leads by example with its breathtaking modernity, peerless refinement, and unmatched all-terrain capability, and is the most desirable Range Rover ever created. Flush joints, removal of finishers, and clean, expansive surfaces take Land Rover's modernist design philosophy to new levels of emotional engagement. The rear is defined by vertical taillights which stay hidden until lit. The interior provides a calm, tranquil sanctuary. For the first time on a Range Rover, you can choose 7 seats. There's a choice of standard or long wheelbase for the 5-seat configuration. New Range Rover features the most sophisticated chassis technology of any vehicle. Poise and control when cornering are delivered by a powerful electronic active roll control system called Dynamic Response Pro. The pioneering cabin air purification Pro system with its PM 2.5 filtration and Nano-EX technology helps to significantly reduce odors, bacteria, and allergens, including the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Synonymous with Range Rover, the peerless command driving position guarantees greater driver visibility and overall confidence. Land Rover has always defined all-terrain capability. The award-winning and patented Terrain Response 2 system automatically detects, selects, and deploys the optimum vehicle settings. All-wheel steering provides superior high-speed stability with enhanced low-speed agility. With a turning circle of under 11 meters, this is the most maneuverable Range Rover ever. The new Range Rover SV, which introduces the new SV branding, is an exquisite interpretation of Range Rover luxury and personalization. You can tailor to your individual tastes from a choice of design themes including SV Serenity and SV Intrepid. SV Long Wheelbase also includes an optional 4-seat signature suite, which provides the most luxurious environment. New levels of craftsmanship, detailing and material finishes epitomize modern luxury and personalization, no matter which SV model you choose. New Range Rover is available with a choice of more efficient high-performance engines, including a 530 PS 4.4-litre V8 and the latest mild hybrid Ingenium petrol and diesel engines. An extended range plug-in hybrid delivers a WLTP electric vehicle range of up to 100 kilometers, with an expected real-world range of up to 80 kilometers. On a 7-kilowatt AC home charger, you can charge from 0 to 100% in as little as 5 hours. And 50-kilowatt DC rapid charging enables you to charge your vehicle away from home up to 80% in under an hour. Intelligent power-assisted doors with soft door close make life that bit easier. Next-generation active noise cancellation, delivered through speakers in the headrests, is a world first and creates the quietest possible driving experience. With haptic controls and a floating 13.1-inch touchscreen, Pivi Pro infotainment is always on, always connected, and thanks to software over the air, always up to date. Wireless Apple CarPlay provides supreme connectivity. Digital LED headlights with adaptive front lighting use navigation data to follow the road ahead for greater visibility, helping minimize dazzling of oncoming traffic.
Alexa, welcome me home.
While Amazon Alexa seamlessly integrates with your vehicle. Introducing the new Range Rover. It leads by example. Range Rover, the most desirable ever created.